Okay, these are the instructions on how to do land the plane. Uh, I'm already on slide 2, but basically what I have to do is get this airplane to line up with the middle of the runway. You'd hit submit, and if you continue with the green dots, then it's safe. If you don't line it up right, you're gonna get red dots. You gotta do it again. Now here we're gonna have to actually put an equation, and your form must always be in the y equals form. So for example, let's say I do uh, a -2 and I do a +5. See, the blue line is showing me the path that the plane will take. I'm way off. So I want to try to get it so that it's in the middle of the runway. So I would go ahead and make it positive, try to bring it down. I'll put a minus, let's try 8. I don't like my slope, so I'll bring my slope down. You can make my slope 1/2, and it looks like I'm closer, but I gotta move it up, and we should have learned how to move stuff up. It looks close. I'll hit submit, and if I get the red, made it. That's how you do it. And the rest of the slides are kind of similar. You're gonna write an equation, you're gonna put your y equals, put whatever you think the slope is. This is going down, so it has to be negative slope. When you get here, you got to determine who's right. Now, when I go to make my challenge, you're just going to take this guy and just drag it somewhere. Try to drag it so that the y-intercept is pretty obvious. So that's how you do it. And then you'll submit it. And then you have to, gives you the points, find the slope, and then you can do it. And that's how you do land the plane.